Got question of car wash machine? Ask Michael here. Many customer is worried about is that our car wash machine will hurt their car. Let me explain how we solve it. The first, we make the foam close to protect our ALM. And then also, when it hits your car, it will protect your painting. Okay, the second, a lot of customer will worry about that if our stainless steel nozzle will hurt your painting. But we have the rubber can protect it to hit your car. Okay, so the customer will worry about if the fallout when machine is running, it will hit your car and hurt your painting. But we have the system. If the arm reach to the certain pressure, our system will automatically stop to protect your car. So let me show you. I make a test. Okay, let's make the running. Rotate. Okay, you see it's normal. Okay, let's rotate again. You see, it stopped. Machine stopped. Will not hurt your car, and then I will show you. We will have an error code to show you. You see, here is the error code. That means I just stopped the machine. The machine stopped to protect your car, and I will show you the history. You see the rotating, the actual fault. It is recorded in the error history. Okay, so it's quite safe, and don't worry to use the car wash machine.